Hello and Grüß Gott. On this short video I'm going to show you how to replace your solenoid for an orbit type system. And this is a 24 volt type solenoid. It looks like this in the package, and this fits more than just orbit. So what we're going to do is take it out of the package first. You'll see it's pretty simple. Just a solenoid activates like that. Has two wires going to it. So now I'm going to go over to my irrigation system and I'll show you how we're going to replace it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your irrigation control box and turn it to the off position. That way it's going to stop any control voltages that go to the solenoids. In this case, we only have one control voltage going down and over to one solenoid. So it's off, and then we'll go over to where the solenoid is and take a look at that. When you get over here and you're ready to replace a solenoid, you want to make sure the water's turned off. If you don't turn it off, you're going to be in for a nasty surprise. So right now I have the water turned off. This is the solenoid here. I'm going to take the wire nuts loose. And I'm going to take the wires loose. And these are kind of stuck on here. And now all you do is you simply unscrew the old one. And it's just hand tight in there. Or so I say. Let me set this down. Okay, it's like that, hand tight. Comes out like that. Now, even though this one activates, it's no good. The solenoid itself is burned up. You want to take the new one and screw it in place of the old one. And you want to tighten it up good and snug so it won't leak. And this particular valve has an on and off position. So this would be always off, this would be on. On meaning when the solenoid activates. So I'm going to turn the water on and check for leaks. So no leaks here. So now I'm going to turn it on manually. Sorry, I'm going to go connect the wires and turn it on. So what I'm going to do next is hook up these wires. It doesn't matter which polarity. And then we will test it out real quick and see if it works. Okay, so I've checked it out and it does work. I did misspeak. On this particular system, you have to turn it to off. And then when the solenoid activates from the controller, it turns the water on. And this is actually a manual on button. So you flip this lever like this and it manually turns the system on. So when you want it automated, you turn it to the off position, which kind of doesn't make a lot of sense, but then you activate it from the actual controller. And we did test it, it does work. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Tschüss.